I take my spreadsheet and I clump the students together based on where they performed low. And so after that, I have a decision tree that helps me really with the flow of if this, then that, if this, then that. And so makes it black and white for me for where they need to go. And then at the bottom of the decision tree, it literally says, they need to be in a fluency group, they need to be in a comprehension group, they need to be in a phonics group, all of the main categories. It comes from trying to explain a lot of these things. I feel like I just do naturally, and then I try to explain it to someone. And I realized when explaining it that it's very difficult to explain what you're doing. So I took the time and sat down and made that decision tree, and it has made it much easier. Of course, you have to use teacher discretion, and I have an area for that if there's other things we need to take into consideration. But it just helps me kind of formulate the groups. The most important part of the small group is what you're doing in your small group, but also that the students that are working independently are not wasting time. So usually the focus is on the skill that they need to be. So they're grouped with the people that are also working on that specific skill. However, if there's something we need to take into consideration that might make the groups not work great, that is the first priority, because then we're not having effective centers. So I like to have in each group someone that might be a leader, so that if there's questions, that they can be the go-to person. Also, if there's students that just do not work together, that'll be a priority over anything else. And sometimes you get classes where there's just no way to put them in groups that are manageable. So when that comes up, you really have to take your classroom setup into account. I will make sure they're not sitting at the same table during the day, so that when they are in their small groups, they are spread out, so that they don't have a lot of interruptions within what they're doing. Right now I have 4 small groups in my classroom, and each small group has 5 students.